Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you step-by-step process how you can easily add indicators on your TradingView platform. This is going to be short videos. I'm not going to talk in this video like what kind of indicators you need. That's a different topic to talk to you about. So you just come here and click indicators, right? You are going to be in built-ins, candlestick patterns, public library that you can find here, or like volume profile here. So when you're gonna have like in built-ins or my scripts, in search, let's say I'm going to write RSI as a relative strength index. So that's what I would just like click on, and I would directly have it here. Then I can simply add moving average, right? And when you have the moving average here, let's just like cancel it. Now I would just click on the moving average, right click on the moving average, move to existing pane below, and voila, here I have my moving average here, and everything is like good. So this is what you can do, and this is what you can have, and that's pretty fine. So then right click, remove indicators, or you can again click indicators and add different buildings here. So let's say that I would add like, I don't know, ease movement, I have like 3 indicators limit here, so I would like need to remove indicators again, and then you have like plenty of options also from public library here that you can use. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask them down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.